Okay, so we're gonna do a product review of this golf cart inline fuel filter. It is very good quality plastic that they use in it and the filtration system. It is a 1/4 by 5/16. It takes both hose sizes, which makes it a really good product because it's more diversity in what you can use it for. I actually use this exclusively on riding mowers, 0 turns rider mowers, as an inline filter for fuel. It is really useful in that terms. It's advertised for a golf cart, but it's actually for, you can use it for all kinds of stuff. It has a barbed stem to eliminate leaks and uses a metal enclosed filter element, allowing the filter to last longer. So I've bought in cheaper ones and they leak, they break, all that. This particular one is very good. When you have fuel in it, you can actually see the color of the fuel and tell whether the fuel quality is good or if the fuel's went bad just by looking at the filter itself. The plastic doesn't fade over time. It doesn't become soft and palatable. It stays nice, firm. It's really good plastic. The shipping, it came in a box, which is really nice. Overall, there's a lot of uses for this, and this is a great product for the price. The price is $15.95 right now. For 10 of them, that's $1.60 a piece. Really good. So thanks. If you like this review, please say it was helpful. Have a good day.